Here we go. We have a question: divide array into equal pairs. So you are given an integer array consisting of 2 rows and integers. You need to divide nums into n pairs such that each element belongs to exactly one pair. So we need to create n pairs. There are 2 rows and values. And the next criteria is the elements present. The elements present in a pair are equal. So 2 rows and elements. In each pair the elements must be equal. We need to return true if nums can be divided into n pairs, otherwise return false. So we have this, and in this we can pair up 2 with another 2, this 2 with another 2, and 3 with another 3. So this is possible. So the answer is true. And in this case 1 cannot pair up with the same 1. So in this case the answer is false. Right. So we need to find out whether the frequency of a given element is even or not. Yeah, that makes sense, because then only it will pair up with the same value. So the frequency of each and every value must be even. That's what we need to find out. So to find whether a current element frequency is even, there are two ways. One way to just use map or dictionary in Python, or another way, since we know the range, the values range is between 500, so we can create a frequency array. So let's code this. So we have the maximum value as 500. So to get 500 or to access 500, we need to create 501 size array, right? And just need to increment the frequency. So increment ith element frequency. Yeah, that's it. And after that just need to check if for any value, if I is odd. So if I is odd, it means it is not possible to pair up with the same value, right? Otherwise it is true. And let's run this. I hope it will work. And yes, working fine. Let's submit this. And I think it is accepted. Then let's discuss about the time and space complexity. So in this case, the time complexity is order of n only, and space complexity is 500, which is constant. But if we use map, it will be order of n, but we know that the maximum elements is 500 only. So it depends on n, but if we use frequency, it is constant only. So that's all. Thank you all for watching.